Welcome, auto enthusiasts.
Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW 1 Series, a pioneer in the premium compact segment. If you're a fan of dynamic design, efficient technology, and sporty performance, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. And don't forget to leave your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. The 2025 BMW 1 Series enters its fourth generation with a strikingly dynamic design. With a long bonnet, a passenger cell setback, and a flowing roofline, the new 1 Series exudes a sporty aura. The dimensions have slightly changed, making it longer and taller, but it remains compact and agile. The front end is lower and flatter, featuring a wide BMW grille and LED headlights with vertical elements. The side view showcases a dynamic wedge shape with high-gloss shadow line trim, while the rear features a powerful apron with vertical reflectors and a black diffuser-style insert. The body paint options include 2 solid and 7 metallic finishes, with the option for a contrasting roof paint finish in high-gloss black. The body paintwork of the new BMW 1 Series is available in 2 solid paintwork finishes and 7 metallic finishes. 4 BMW individual paint finishes and a wide range of BMW individual special paint finishes are also available. The new BMW 1 Series is the first model in the brand's range to be available with an optional contrasting roof paint finish. The high-gloss black finish adds to the sporty appearance of the car. Under the hood, the new BMW 1 Series boasts a range of highly efficient engines with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. This includes a 3-cylinder petrol engine and a 4-cylinder diesel engine, both coupled with a 7-speed Steptronic transmission with dual clutch as standard. The top-of-the-line BMW M135X drive features a 300-horsepower 4-cylinder engine and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.9 seconds. BMW M Automobile with individual performance character. The optional M Sport package and the M Sport design optional equipment available at market launch in Europe make the new BMW 1 Series even more dynamic. Its M-specific design features include large air intakes on the front apron, pronounced side skirts, and a 3-dimensional diffuser element in the rear apron. At the top of the model range is the BMW M135X drive with significantly enhanced performance characteristics. The BMW M model is powered by a 300-horsepower 4-cylinder engine, features an adaptive M chassis with sport steering and intelligent all-wheel drive as standard, and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. On the outside, the M radiator grille with horizontal bars, M exterior mirror caps, and 4 exhaust tailpipes make it instantly recognizable as a top-of-the-range model. An M technology package with specific suspension components, stiffness, and lightweight measures, an M compound brake system, and 19-inch forged light alloy wheels is available exclusively for the BMW M135X drive. An M Sport Package Pro and model-specific BMW M Performance parts are also available for all variants of the new BMW 1 Series. The newly designed interior of the new BMW 1 Series, which is completely leather-free as standard, offers a modern premium ambience with sporty accents and generous space for up to 5 occupants. Newly designed seats offer a high level of comfort for long journeys. Sport seats in the Econeer version with covers and upholstery made from recycled polyester and M Sport seats are optionally available. Heated seats and a wide range of electric adjustments, including memory on the driver's side, are available as options for all seat versions. Lumbar support can be added to the Sport seats and the M Sport seats. An optional massage function is also available for the Sport seats. A driver and front passenger interaction airbag is now fitted as standard to further enhance occupant protection. By folding down the rear seat backrests, The storage space under the tailgate can be increased from 380 liters to 1,200 liters. High-quality surfaces and trim. The redesigned gear selector and the BMW curved display underline the progressive, premium ambience of the interior. The fully digital display system comprises a 10.25-inch information display and a 10.7-inch control display. The air conditioning in the new BMW 1 Series is also controlled digitally. As an alternative to the standard sport steering wheel, a similarly redesigned M leather steering wheel is also available. It is part of the M Sport package and has shift paddles for manual gear changes. The BMW 1 Series comes equipped with the latest in automated driving and parking systems. Standard features include front collision warning, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and parking assistant with reversing assistant. Optional features like steering and lane control assist and parking assistant professional enhance the driving experience even further. BMW has prioritized sustainability with the 2025 1 Series. The use of high-tensile steel and recycled materials, along with a production process that conserves resources, highlights BMW's commitment to eco-friendly practices. The new BMW Operating System 9 with Quick Select allows for intuitive operation, and remote software upgrades ensure the vehicle stays up to date with the latest features. The 2025 BMW 1 Series will hit the market in October 2024, with the German domestic market being its largest. Japan and other European countries are also key markets. The new 1 Series offers a compelling package for anyone looking for a sporty, efficient, and stylish compact vehicle. That's all for today's review of the 2025 BMW 1 Series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and updates. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions about the new BMW 1 Series, and we'll be sure to respond. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.